Assalamu alaikum everyone, respected teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Zohra Fatema. I am studying in class 7th, Khamarbek Urdu Primary School. Today I am here to tell you about very important point. Science and technology. Science, the foundation of progress. Science and technology have changed our life in many ways, from discovery of fire to inventing of internet. Every step has been possible because of science. Can you imagine a world without electricity, mobile phones, medicines? Life would be very difficult, right? Science helps us understand nature and solve problems. Technology, on the other hand, applies this knowledge to make our life easy. One of the latest advancement in technology is artificial intelligence, AI. AI is ability of computer in to think and learn like humans. It help use in many ways. AI is used in voice assistant like Siri and Alexa, which answer our question. Self-driving cars and robots in factories also work using AI. Even in our schools, AI-based learning apps help in understanding subject better. AI is making our life easier and helping in progress, but we must use it wisely. If we use science responsibly, we can create a better future for everyone. So let's be curious, learn more, and use science and technology, including AI, make the world a better place. Thank you.